Welcome to DJH Preston Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Jaguar XE 2-litre diesel R Sport with a very high specification. It's a full all-wheel drive, four-wheel drive as well. Very rare, that is. It's got the full black pack, so you've got the black grille, got the black inserts on the bumper. It's got front and rear park distance control, gloss black alloy wheels. Absolutely popping this colour in grey. Privacy glass, rear park distance control, got a camera as well and parking pilot, twin exhausts, rear spoiler. Look at that, absolutely stunning. Very well cared for. Lovely colour combination with a lovely specification as well. Even the Jaguar badge is in black. Rear camera. It's all mint in the boot area. It's got the lovely full leather with the white stitch piping. Perforated seats. Centre armrest. Electric windows, electric mirrors, Meridian sound system, memory seats, electric seats, just nowhere on the bolster or anything. It's absolutely lovely. It looks half the mileage and drives absolutely fantastic. It's an 87,261 miles. Cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, paddle shift on the gearbox if you want to drive it like that, lane assist. Just start it up. Got the different driving modes here. Eco, normal, dynamic. Full touchscreen sat nav. All working GPS. Park pilot there. Shows you how to park. Reverse camera. Bluetooth connectivity. Media pack. Different sources. You've got DAB. You can play with your Bluetooth. Centre armrest. The locking wheel nut. Aux USB. Oh, heated seats as well. Really is full spec, this one. Dashboard's all lovely. This one won't stay long. It's really price rangy. At DJH we're full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.